Have you ever wondered how you can use chatbots in your business? Here are 7 uses of our chatbots on a website to improve customer engagement. Number 1. Segment customers in order to qualify the leads, according to set criteria. Number 2. Give discounts or offers when a customer is about to exit a website or when the customer is undecided. Number 3. Build lists when customers opt in using a chatbot. Number 4. High conversion of customers through chatbots will drive sales up. Number 5. Support customers by offering answers to the FAQs while on the website. Number 6. Use chatbots to target the relevant customers in affiliate marketing. Number 7. Encourage a customer to book an appointment for a relevant service. With the right chatbots, you can increase your revenue. Get started now at go.chatbird.digital.